Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. WASHDAY here, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be getting into this hair. It is wash day. I told you guys I'll be doing more hair videos, so I'm gonna give you a little update. The last video, if you have not seen it, I will link it in the description box. I will pop up in the cards. If you have not seen me taking out my 4-week-old braids, then doing a braid out, I did use the Main Choice. I used the Main Choice gel, and for some reason I don't like it because it was really flaking on me. Like in that video at the end, I don't know, you guys can't see it, but it was really flaking on me. Like as I was taking down my braids, I had flakes all over my shirt, and I'm just like, I hope they don't see this in this video. So I'm trying something new today. So I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture curling gel today. It says that it has moisturizer in it. I think it was flaking on me because the Main Choice one doesn't have moisturizer in it, so it really dried out my hair. I did love it because the way my curls was popping, like it was lit. So oh, and it smells good. So I'm gonna be trying this out today, and we're gonna be doing the lock method. I wanted to pre-poo my hair, but I don't think I have time for that. So we're gonna do the lock method and all that good stuff. So let's get into it. Okay guys, I'm back. I just washed my hair, literally. I like to use the Nourishing Coconut Milk Shampoo by OGX. This is my ish right here. I used to do the co-washing a lot. Like I used to co-wash a lot, but I feel like co-washing doesn't get my hair clean the way I wanted to. I have thick natural hair, so I need my scalp to, you know, I need my scalp to be like on point, you feel me? So this is the bomb. Me and my mom uses this, and now I'm gonna just basically, you know, start my little braid out. I'm gonna start my twist out right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move you over here to the mirror, and we're gonna just get started.
Yeah.
and I I can't talk apparently. I finished my hair. It came out, well, I don't know how it came out, but this is the twist. They look so healthy, vibrant, and just nourished. Okay, I was gonna give you some natural lighting, but as you guys see, it's a storm coming, so it looks super crazy outside. So I just turned on my box lights so you guys can get the full effect of my hair, honey, because it looks bomb. Now, my first impressions, let me show you what this looks like. This looks crazy inside. Like, it looks like little, you ever saw the movie The Blob? This is what it looks like. It's like, it's not creamy, it's like it's in blocks or something. But I don't know, I'm gonna do my research and see if it's supposed to look like that, because I don't know, I was a little like, you know, y'all, I didn't even use my conditioner. Like, I got to the twisting and I'm just like, I forgot to use the damn conditioner. But I do have oil in my hair. This is my oil concoction that I made up myself. I just researched a bunch. This is my big oil concoction. This is what I use to get into my roots. So if you guys want an oil video, like, let me know, because I've been cooking up some stuff. So I give y'all some pointers on what oils is bomb, you know. So stay tuned for that. I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna give y'all a part 2 to this, because I want to show you guys how it looked, how it came out, if I have flakes or not, because I am prone to flakes. It's annoying, but I am. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I am back, and this is how I got my hair. These are the results I have, and I am just like, literally, this is 2-day-old hair. I don't like first day old hair. First day old hair is, I don't know, it doesn't lay the way I want it to be. It looks amazing, but it just doesn't do it for me. So I love how this looks. It was super moisturized when I took out the twist out. It was like so amazing. I definitely I like this new routine. I think I'm going to be using the same routine, and I'm for it. I just oiled my hair, oiled my scalp, because my scalp gets very dry. It's like, really, it gets really dry. It's too dry. Like, I can't, like, that's why I have my little oil concoction, and we just sit, okay. Also, with the Shea Moisture, I like it. It didn't make my hair flake, which is amazing. I really suffer from my hair flaking too much. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm using too much product. I don't know what it is, but sometimes I need enough to coat my hair, because my hair is very thick, and I have to make sure every strand is moisturized, every strand is twisted, all this good stuff. So I'm definitely going to be showing you guys in another video how I fluff my hair, how I stretch my hair, and the whole process. So if you want to see that, comment down below, of course. I love you guys so much. Like for more hair videos. More hair videos will be in the description box. Don't forget to like this video, of course. Please like this video. I don't be having enough likes, y'all. More likes means more people, means more views, and I know you can do it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.